Hello. So, I'm gonna kind of do a breakdown, or I guess highlights per se. Well, first, I'm gonna try to stay on top of this case on YouTube as well. I'm kind of new at the YouTubing, so if you'd like to follow me, just subscribe, and as new information comes out, I'm going to read it, post it, touch base on it. But I want to kind of break down the part 1 and the 2 because it seems like Letecia's all over the place in that phone call. She still maintains her innocence, which now she's saying Al and Edgar, which I'm guessing Edgar is the Eduardo person that she spoke of at the very beginning. So basically, I've taken notes from the part 1 and 2, but sorry, the dogs. I didn't hear a doorbell ring, sorry. But basically, she's saying that both of them are the guilty ones and that it was a moment of rage. Apparently, Al had flown home and he was doing, I couldn't catch the type of challenges, but some type of army challenges. And he was mad, her words, he was mad at Landon because Landon was going away and he just lost it. And she goes on to say, I don't know if it's Angel or Anger. It sounds like Angel, which I don't recall hearing the name Angel before, but we'll say Angel, but she did say Lena was there when this occurred, which of course we knew Lena was there. And then she goes on to say, she talks about a Major Brown and that he knows people and will make sure that only Edgar goes down for this. And she says Al took advantage because he knew that she was not mentally okay. She claims she's bipolar, that she was not being treated for bipolar like she's claiming in the letter to the judge. But just saying she was not mentally okay and that she really does not remember what happened on that day. She said, someone, or the lady on the phone call, Kit Kat, asked who Edgar was, and I've listened numerous times and I have no idea what she says. I do know she says he is not in the army and that he's a bad person, obviously, but that they were not aware of that before this, I guess, Gannon's murder. They weren't aware that he was a bad person. But she goes on to say that Al had to file for divorce from her in order to keep Lena. Again, she's just all over the place in this phone call. And let's see, basically she's saying that it was an accident and she thinks the truth needs to come out. And the way I took it, she's saying that I guess since it was an accident, really nobody should be held accountable. So that truth needs to come out, and she's been protecting Al and staying loyal to Al from the beginning, and she can't do that anymore. But she says that Edgar should be where she is, so Edgar should be in jail for kidnapping, manslaughter, and tampering with evidence. So I guess she's saying Edgar is the one that whatever happened to Gannon's body, that he's the one that done it, that he's the one that transported Gannon to Florida and put him in the suitcase under the bridge. It looks like she is blaming that on Edgar, and Al should be where she's at in jail for manslaughter. So both of them, Edgar and Al, manslaughter, and Letecia, again, still maintaining that she is innocent. She does say that she was blackmailed, brainwashed, and that's why she just doesn't remember a lot of what happened on that day. She does remember that Lena was going crazy saying that she didn't want her daddy going to jail. And then Letecia speaks about, I'm assuming Al having multiple affairs, and that he started doing pills while he was in the Army. And again, she was just being loyal to him and protecting him. And I think those are basically the highlights. It was really hard to follow along, but like I said, I've listened to it probably 3 to 4 times, and I'm going to listen to it again, and if I can pick up anything else that's relevant, then I'll definitely come on, make another video. But in the meantime, from the phone call, she does say that things are going to start popping up, and so I'm gonna keep up with the case on YouTube as well. And if you want to follow along, just subscribe to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.